my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda242. If you're here for the first time, I am Remelda. You are welcome and God bless you.